Hey guys, Adam here. Today I'm gonna show you the Cash App limits, or if you're getting an error like please try again later on your iPhone or Android device. First thing, all you have to do is drop down your notifications and you have to turn on the airplane mode for 10 to 15 seconds and check if the Cash App is working or not. If it still doesn't work, you can try turning off your Wi-Fi for a few seconds and turn it back on again and check the Cash App it's working or not. If it's still not working, you can go to your phone's settings, drop down and swipe down all the way to the bottom. Go to the system. You can go to the software update and check for your phone update. If your phone has an update, then update your phone to the latest software. Then check the Cash App once again if it's working or not. If it's still not working, you can go to the date and time section and check if your date and time are correct or not. If it still does not work, long press the Cash App on your Android and go to the app info. From here, you have to select storage and cache, and you have to clear both the storage and clear cache, and then open the Cash App once again to check if it's working or not. On iPhone, you have to go to your iPhone settings and then go to the general and then select iPhone storage. From the list of apps, you have to select the Cash App and you have to offload the Cash App from your iPhone. And if it still doesn't work, you can go to your phone's settings, Wi-Fi and internet, and then check if you're connected to a VPN or not, and make sure you're not connected to any VPN, and then check again if your Cash App is working or not. And if it's still not working, you can open your app store, search for the Cash App, or on your iPhone you can open the app store and search for Cash App and check if is there any app update available for Cash App. If there is an update available for Cash App, make sure to update your Cash App to the latest version and check once again. If it is still not working, I can just recommend you one last step, which is force restarting your phone. You can turn your phone off and then turn it on once again and check if Cash App is working or not. Hopefully, by doing all of these steps, your phone will start working once again, and that's how you can fix your problem like please try again later. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.